Here I'm coming back with this little video here to show you how to plant from clippings. See, I'll show you how to, see, I just want this to mimic a root. See, all these little pieces right here, they'll mimic a root. And all I do is plant those pieces right here, and they will grow roots from this clipping here. Let me just show you this clipping here, and see, I would kind of plant it from like to here, so to come out. And see, I like to always have an aggressive stock already. See that trunk? It's kind of thick already. So this is why you want to get you a clipping that's pretty thick. See the bottom of it right there? So it'll grow, and then it won't, it'll always start you off a mature bonsai. That's what I mean by when you choose your clippings, and this will make your bonsai have stalks. So, well, it'll have this on it. I planted these the same way, and see how nicely the trunk is doing on these. So that's why I was trying to show y'all this. I'm just gonna plant it like that. Show you this. Let me just get me a planter. This is how you want to plant it here. I'll just take a handful of dirt out like this. Like that, like so. Plant that down in here firm, like that. A little more out. Pack a little dirt back on it. And those little limbs there will make roots. You just pack it in real good like I was showing you the other one here. Pack it. See how you pack it in, and see that we have a nice trunk on it, and that's how you start a bonsai from a clipping. Just that simple. Like, subscribe to Cause Hall YouTube channel. You be blessed.